We're going camping. Let's buy some shit.
Guys, I don't think this is a camping store.
No, for real though. Let's get a tent, guys.
Here, we need to go get some ice cream.
No, we don't. We have to go shopping. We have to get some.
What the fuck?
Yo, where's
Carrie at?
That ain't funny.
Looks like a bush.
Seen Ellie?
What the fuck? Really dangerous.
We should pretend I fall.
No man, get the fuck
I might
down.
just fall for the clip.
Get down.
Guys, she fell. Guys, she fell.
Okay. Oh my god, Ellie. Come on, Kay. Come on.
Look at that. Bro.
Are we cooked?
Spooky. What the?
Oh my.
We have weapons.
No, guys, no.